When we find out that a bollard is faulty, we need to determine if the bollard or the control cabinet is at fault. So, in general, for example, if there is a problem with one bollard, our general judgment is like this. For example, let's say this bollard number 3. Look, there's a number 3, and there's a number inside. This is bollard number 1. The terminal for bollard 1 is here. Number 2, number 3, number 4 is here. Suppose there's a problem with bollard 3. It's broken. It can't be raised or lowered. I have to dismantle the control cabinet first to see if there's a problem with bollard number 3. What's the first way? The first way is to check the fuse first. This is the power supply. The white one is the power supply. These are the 4 power supplies that control the 4 bollards. There are some cabinets that have 8 power supplies. There's a fuse underneath every power supply. See that? This is a fuse. This fuse can be pulled out. I'll pull it out and show it to you. Shake it from side to side and lift it up to get it out. It's out. Take a look at this fuse. It's a fuse. Look, it's all connected here. That means the fuse is intact. If it's damaged, you'll have to replace the fuse. Just plug this back in. This is 36 volts. It can be operated with electricity without any problem. What if it's broken? If it's broken, you'll have to change the fuse. For example, you can replace this fuse. Well, if the fuse is broken, it could cause this line to go dead. So check the fuses first. The second way is if the insured car is okay. So what do we do? Bollard number 3 is broken, but the fuses are fine. Then we can take this output from bollard 3 and swap it with bollard 4. Let's say that bollard number 4 is good. Then I'll align number 3 with number 4. There's 4 lines over here. Red and blue represent motor wires, i.e. power wires. The yellow and green wires are light wires. So now the bollard won't raise or lower, so the power cable is broken. Then we can swap the 2 red and blue lines. Switch the red and blue wires next to here. That means the output of this side corresponds to the passed side of bollard number 3. After this alignment, test whether bollard 3 or 4 can be raised and lowered properly. There are 2 possibilities. The first one is that after the alignment, no .3 still doesn't raise or lower. Number 4 can be raised and lowered. We replaced the port with a good one for no 3, and no 3 still won't raise or lower. Well, that proves that the push rod on bollard 3 is broken and needs to be replaced. In the second case, we're done with the alignment. The number 3 is normal, but the number 4 is not. This means that output 3 is broken. The output of bollard 4 is normal, so to bollard 3, which is able to raise and lower. But the output of number 3 to number 4 is not normal. Why? Because its output is broken. Then we need to check if the fuse or power supply of bollard 3 is damaged, or the relay is bad, or it's not plugged in properly.